Ooh, it can go on grass. Kinda. It's supposed to be able to go on grass.
Huh. How do you know?
Because I watched the video.
You watched the video?
Woo! Yeah.
Did it show you to do this? To make it, like, open up?
Well, it didn't show me how to do it. Pretty cool.
It's trying to mow the lawn. Look, I'm gonna make it go forward. It's not gonna go forward. It turns if you make it go forward. See? That's gonna go across the street.
Do you want your coat? Car? Oh, never mind. Never mind. Ooh. Oh, it's freezing. Oh my god.
Wait!
Oh, I didn't do that.
Ah! Oh my god, Henry! Ah!
Careful. Let's go away from Auntie's car.